What if a football stadium could turn a single match into millions of dollars in just a few hours? Inside the World Cup, these arenas are not just sports venues. They operate like financial machines where every seat, every drink, and every space inside has a price tag. Most fans only see the game, but behind the scenes, a massive business system is running quietly. Today's video breaks down how stadiums generate huge money during football's biggest tournament and why every detail is designed for profit. 1. Stadiums as high-profit business machines. World Cup stadiums are not built only for sport. They are designed as high-performance commercial systems, where every part of the structure contributes to income. From the entrance gates to the VIP boxes, everything inside is planned to generate money. These stadiums are massive in scale, often holding between 60,000 and 80,000 fans. During the tournament, most matches are completely sold out, which means every game instantly becomes a full-capacity financial event. When you repeat that across dozens of matches, the total revenue begins to rise into enormous figures. But what makes these stadiums special is not only size. It is how they are structured internally. Seating is divided into layers, each with different pricing and experience levels. This tiered system ensures that every type of visitor, from casual fans to corporate executives, pays according to access and comfort. Even before a match begins, money is already flowing in through advanced ticket sales, packages, and reserved seating. By kickoff, a large portion of revenue is already secured. After that, the stadium shifts into live spending mode, where food, drinks, and merchandise continue generating profit throughout the event. 2. Ticket sales and matchday revenue power. Ticket sales are the foundation of stadium earnings during the World Cup. Every match brings tens of thousands of spectators, and across an entire tournament schedule. This turns into a massive revenue stream. A single sold-out match in a large stadium can generate millions of dollars in just one day. When multiplied across group stage matches, knockout rounds, and the final, the total ticket income becomes extremely large. However, the real financial strength comes from pricing structure. Tickets are divided into categories based on view quality, seating location, and match importance. The closer the seat is to the pitch, the higher the price. Premium matches like semifinals and finals push pricing even further, creating a strong revenue spike. The emotional value also plays a big role. Fans are not only paying for a seat, they are paying for a once-in-a-lifetime experience inside the world's biggest football event. That emotional demand allows organizers to maintain high pricing without reducing demand. 3. VIP hospitality and ultra-luxury spending. Inside every World Cup stadium, the most profitable area is not the general seating. It is the luxury hospitality section, where prices reach levels that most fans never imagine. These areas include private suites, pitch-side lounges, and corporate boxes designed for elite guests, companies, and high-net-worth individuals. The pricing difference is extreme. A standard ticket might cost a few $100s depending on the match, but VIP hospitality operates on a completely different scale. A single seat in a premium suite can range from around $5,000 to $50,000 per match, depending on location, match importance, and exclusivity level. For high-demand games like semifinals or finals, entire suites can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars for one night. These packages are not just about watching football. They include fine dining, private service staff, exclusive lounge access, and business networking environments. Companies often book them as corporate investments, using the space to host clients, close deals, and build relationships during the match. What makes this even more powerful is limited supply. Stadiums only have a small number of VIP suites compared to regular seating, which allows organizers to push prices even higher without affecting demand. In many World Cup venues, VIP hospitality alone generates a disproportionately large share of total matchday profit, often outperforming thousands of general tickets combined. This is why stadium design prioritizes luxury zones just as much as seating capacity. 4. Food, drinks, and controlled spending system. Once fans enter a World Cup stadium, they are inside a controlled spending environment. Outside food and drink options disappear, which means all purchases shift inside the venue. This creates a powerful commercial system. Food and beverage prices are significantly higher than normal retail levels, but demand remains strong because fans spend hours inside the stadium. Every halftime break and waiting period becomes a spending opportunity. Drinks, snacks, and meals are purchased repeatedly throughout the event. Since there are no external competitors inside the stadium, pricing control remains fully with organizers and sponsors. Merchandise is another major income source. Official jerseys, scarves, hats, and collectibles are sold at high margins. Fans often buy items not only for use, but as memories of the experience, which increases emotional spending. This entire system works because of one simple factor: isolation. Inside the stadium, demand is concentrated and supply is controlled, allowing consistent profit generation throughout the match. 5. Advertising and sponsorship control system. Every World Cup stadium operates as a massive advertising ecosystem, where nearly every visible surface is converted into a paid commercial asset. From pitch-side LED boards to giant digital screens, from tunnel entrances to seating decks, nothing inside the stadium is left without commercial value. What looks like a football arena to fans is actually a carefully structured marketing environment designed to maximize brand exposure at a global level. Sponsors invest enormous amounts of money to secure visibility inside these stadiums during matches. These include global corporations from sportswear, beverages, technology, banking, automotive, and telecom industries. Their logos are not just displayed once. They appear repeatedly across digital boards, replay screens, corner flags, and stadium interiors. Since World Cup matches are broadcast to billions of viewers worldwide, even a few seconds of exposure translates into massive global reach. The most powerful element in this system is exclusivity control. Only officially approved sponsors are allowed inside the stadium branding ecosystem during matches. This creates a controlled environment where competing brands are completely blocked from visibility. As a result, selected sponsors enjoy a monopoly-like exposure where their message dominates every angle of the viewer experience without distraction from rivals. Beyond the stadium bowl itself, monetization expands into surrounding areas. Fan zones, entrance gates, public plazas, and hospitality walkways are all rented out as activation spaces. Brands build interactive setups, promotional booths, and experience zones where they can directly engage with fans before and after matches. These external zones often become as valuable as the stadium interior because of high foot traffic and emotional fan engagement. This entire structure transforms the stadium into more than just a sporting venue. It becomes a global advertising machine broadcasting brand messages across television, social media, and live audiences simultaneously. Every match is not only a football event, but also a high-value commercial broadcast opportunity, where visibility equals revenue and attention becomes the most expensive currency in sport. 6. Infrastructure upgrades and long-term value. World Cup stadiums are not built only for short-term tournament profit. They are designed as long-term commercial assets meant to generate income for many years after the final match. Before the tournament begins, these stadiums go through major upgrades including modern seating systems, advanced broadcast technology, improved security infrastructure, expanded VIP areas, and upgraded media facilities. While these improvements are required for hosting World Cup standards, they also permanently raise the commercial value of the stadium. After the tournament ends, these venues do not lose relevance. Instead, they become premium locations for global concerts, international football matches, and large entertainment events. Because of their upgraded facilities and global reputation, they can charge significantly higher rental fees compared to regular stadiums. This long-term positioning transforms them into continuous revenue generators, where the real financial benefit continues for years, not just during the World Cup itself. 7. Legacy economics and global value boost. The real financial impact of the World Cup does not end when the final match is played. Stadiums continue earning long after the tournament ends. The reputation of hosting World Cup matches increases naming rights value, sponsorship deals, and international event bookings. even years later. The World Cup hosted venue label allows stadiums to charge premium prices. Concerts, sports leagues, and global entertainment shows prefer these upgraded venues because of their infrastructure quality. This ensures continuous income generation. In many cases, the tournament acts as a financial reset button that transforms ordinary stadiums into global business assets. World Cup stadiums are far more than sports arenas. They are carefully designed financial systems where every seat, service, and space is built to generate income at a massive scale. From luxury suites to global advertising and long-term event value, these venues operate like permanent money engines. What fans see as a football match is actually a complex business operation running in real time. If this breakdown gave you new insight, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.